The BTS is right around the corner. Actually, the building has a direct connection with the BTS, and this is the Hyatt Hotel. And you can see there is the rooftop bar there. And luckily, this is all double glazing, so you don't hear it, but you can see it in the evening. So you have to keep that in mind. Good morning, I'm here in Sukhumvit Soy 13 and I'm on my way to a building called the Hyde Sukhumvit Soy 13. Today again I will take you along on my real job for my company Sukhumvit Homes. I have to film a 2-bedroom apartment here on the 35th floor. The views are amazing. This is an apartment where we already have been taken care of for a very long time and I'm very happy to share it with you. So let's go to the room. There are 2 lobbies because the building has 2 towers. So this is the lower tower that is up until the 20th floor. And then the higher tower where we have to go because we are going to the 35th floor is here in the second lobby. So here we are at the unit, and this is one of our favorite units, and the reason is, for me, the views. The views are absolutely stunning. We are on the 35th floor here, looking in the southeastern direction, and you have an amazing view of the city. And we are early morning here now, but if you come here in the evening, it's even better. So the size of this apartment is 105 square meters. And the rental price is 70,000 baht per month. So this unit, we have quite a bit of history with this unit as a company, because we actually sold this unit to the owner, and then Mirela was responsible for doing the furnishing. So we went shopping for all the furniture that's in here, and yeah, that was a nice project. So here you have, this is actually the 2nd bedroom, but based on the view I would brand it as the master bedroom. I mean, if I would have this apartment, I would definitely sleep here, and the views here are really amazing. So you have the Bang Krachao in the back there. Here in the front you have the BANGKOK'S Park. You have a nice view on the One Bangkok construction, so you can keep an eye out on that. Here you have the Q Sukhumvit. The BTS is right around the corner. Actually, the building has a direct connection with the BTS, and this is the Hyatt Hotel. And you can see there is the rooftop bar there. And luckily, this is all double glazing, so you don't hear it, but you can see it in the evening. So you have to keep that in mind. So there's a closet here. So let me show you So here you have a shared bathroom with a rain shower as well. And then here we have, well, this would be normally the master bedroom because it has the ensuite bathroom. Nice view here as well. So you're overlooking the Asok area. The trendy building is right in front here. It has very classical finishing. So if this is your style, I would say this is actually the perfect bachelor pad. If you are just a couple or single here in Bangkok, then this is the perfect space. You can use one of these rooms to make into an office. Yeah, so the price used to be around 80,000, but the owner dropped it to 70. So let me bring you to the facilities. The facilities are all located on the 5th floor. And this is one of the longest swimming pools in Bangkok. So you have this long stretch here and then it bends around the corner. Here you have the gym, the yoga room. Bit of a lounge area, so there's free Wi-Fi throughout the facility area. In this part you have the barbecue area. You can actually rent this, you can book it, and then you can bring your own barbecue and have a party here. I had a client from Argentina that was doing regular barbecue parties here. So you have the playroom, you have the sauna. This is the study area, again, including free Wi-Fi, so this is perfect if you want to retreat a little bit and do some work. And there's even a movie room. So here at the swimming pool, I will end this video regarding this 2-bedroom apartment at the Hyde 13. If you're interested in renting this apartment, feel free to send us an email at info@sukhumvithomes.com, or you can go to our website, sukhumvithomes.com. If you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.